next one, I'll show you guys probably the Russian roulette.
Oh no!
I'll show you guys before you go to Russian roulette, but this is what I call staple gun roulette. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to try and do the same thing. I'm going to try and read for Reen. She's going to answer a few questions for me. So at the moment, we've got full staple guns, try and full staple guns. And at the moment, all unloaded. All empty. So what we are going to do is we're going to load one of them with the stables. One of them is going to be live, which means it's going to be empty. And what I'm going to have to do is going to figure out which one of them is actually live. I'm going to play stable gun with that. So we've got stables. Let's just go like that. Just verify and load it to the right circles. And just to double check, we're going to test it on this nice little bullet. Just the line in fact makes that embedded quite nicely into the piece of wood. So what I'm going to have to do, I don't want you guys to see, obviously, but you're going to mix up the staple gun. So at the moment, okay, this is in fact a live staple gun. So what I need you to do is you are going to mix these staple guns up. And you want to do so on the screen so that no one else can see how you mix it. So only you. So you need to keep track of that staple gun and where it is. Well, sure, I've got insurance. So you're going to max these up for me. Yeah, that's the right one. Next time I'll have you light you want. I'm going to step in front. So none of you guys can see. I can't see. So go ahead and mix it up and let me know when you're finished and we'll proceed to the next part.
Okay.
Good, all done? So you do know which one is the last step. Just to make it easy for people, I'm just going to number them. So this would be step number 1. So in a moment, I'm going to ask you the same question for each step. I'm going to ask you, is this the loaded staple gun? You need to answer yes to each question. And then I'm going to have to figure out which one she's lying on, or which one is in fact empty, and which one is in fact loaded. So it's number 1 loaded staple gun. It's number 2 loaded staple gun. It's number 3 loaded staple gun. 4 loaded staple gun. 4 is definitely not loaded. 2. Just trying to get is number 1 loaded staple gun. 2 loaded staple gun. 3 loaded staple gun. That's number 2 out. So now we're down to a 50-50 chance. Again, it's right, again, it's wrong. So to actually make the little visual, which is also what we're doing. So of getting this one absolutely wrong. I'm taking that shit wrong. There's going to be very, very, very painful things for me. So it's number one, a low accepted stage. Really low accepted age. Don't know which one is safe. Let's know if this works. Nice little jumpy there.